Alright, so here's the follow-up on the Ford Ranger. This is after changing the fuel pump. I'm going to grab the key here, and you can see that currently our fuel pressure is at 0. If I turn the key on, fuel pressure comes up instantly, stays there. Cycle the key one more time. And we get tons of pressure. We'll let it just sit there for a sec. You can see it's not moving at all. The check valve's holding it. Engine starts up right away. And currently we're reading about 77, 78 PSI, roughly. So we're probably getting at least 10 PSI more than we were previously. Alright, so that looks pretty good. And shut it off and watch to see if it bleeds down. Again, I think it has to maintain something like 25 or 40 PSI, something in that neighborhood for 20 or 30 minutes. You know, so like if you go into a store or something and come out, it should have, you know, at least half of it still in there. The check valve is going to seep a little bit, but it should pretty much just stay. And yeah, looks like it's holding good. So clear out the OBD2 codes and have the guy drive it around for a little while, and I already know that it's starting better, and we'll see if that takes care of the lean code at the same time. Alright, so that was the follow-up video for the 2005 Ford Ranger 2.3 liter.